President, the installation of the Board of the Directors for the new term. May I please request Inspire DG Dr. Manish Motwani to also join, and RI Trustee Dr. Bharat Pandya, please join us for the BOD induction, and DGN Deepak Jayandani, PDG Praful Sharma ji, please come for the induction.
So my team for 25-26 Rotary Club of Bombay, Kandivali, starting with Vice President Rotarian Sanjay Patkar. Okay. Rotarian Sanjay Patkar, the ever resilient person in the club. Secretary Rotarian Anuba Goyal, a dreamer and have an eye for perfection. Treasurer Rotarian CA Paras Jain, the super efficient person. Sergeant at Arms Jay Makija, the disciplinarian. IPP Rotarian Jay. International IPP Rotarian Mahendra Modi, never say die attitude. Shuddha Rashtravadi. Club admin Rotarian Vijay Vyas, the wise man, always dependable. Membership Director Rotarian Jatin Lakhani, the quiet one, yet very assertive. Fellowship Director Rotarian Sunit Shah, the rock star. Community Director Rotarian Sonal Doshi, the artistic and creative. Community Director 2 Rotarian Avdesh Gupta, the industrialist with heart of gold. Environment Rotarian Shakti Avasti, nurturing caregiver. Come solo. Shakti. Medical Director 1 Rotarian Bandana Gua, delightful and ever smiling. Sorry. Vocational Rotarian Ashish Pandey, the suave gentleman. CSR Rotarian PP Anuj Ajmera, a silent doer, power packed. TRF Rotarian PP Ravichandran, the ever charming. Youth Rotarian Lalit Agarwal, of course, leave of absence. Public Image, Public Relation Rotarian P. Lakshman Prasad, a corporate ever dutiful. E-Director Rotarian Atul Gadigaonkar, the brain behind IT and data analytics. Trainer Rotarian PP Shraddhashish Prasad, the visionary. Rotarian PP Jyoti Gandhi, Trainer 2, the compassionate. Advisor Rotarian PP Samir Parekh, the digital consciousness. Advisor 2 Rotarian Swatantra Kumar, ever freedom loving. Of course, he is leave of absence. Rotarian Dr. Mamta Jain, the invincible. And the one who loves to dream and drive my beautiful club, yours sincerely, President Prashaant Mishra.